Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into our Sheetify bookkeeping template, our all-in-one Google Sheets bookkeeping template. We're going to dive into a new sheet that we recently added to Sheetify Bookkeeping, and this is called Owner's Drawer. If we navigate down to this new tab, Owner's Drawer, if you're new to Sheetify Bookkeeping and you want to learn all the tools and features that this Google Sheets bookkeeping template has to offer, I will add relevant resources and a dedicated tutorial down below in the description. This is where you can add transactions related to owner's drawings. This is essentially taking out equity from the business. If you're a sole trader, this might be pulling out monthly income, or maybe it could be a personal expense. Maybe you went to the movies and you used your business card. This is not a business expense, so it would be labeled as a drawing. You can simply add your transactions in here. If we navigate up here, we can see the all-time total. And if we navigate down and locate balance sheet over here, we can navigate down the page, and under owner's equity, we can see owner's drawer. And the annual amount will be added to your balance sheet. Pretty cool, huh? We do not want owner's equity, owner's drawer, to appear on our P&L statement, as well as our other dashboards. Okay, let's jump back over to owner's drawer. What we can also do to add an owner's drawer is navigate up to Sheetify, and then click on Add Owner's Drawer. And that will add a new row up here, rather than scrolling down and adding your entries all the way down the bottom. However, that is it for this brief tutorial showing you how you can manage your owner's drawer inside of Sheetify Bookkeeping, our all-in-one Google Sheets bookkeeping template. Again, if you're interested in diving deeper into Sheetify Bookkeeping and all the tools and features that we offer, I'll add relevant resources and tutorials down below in the description. However, that is it. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.